Welcome to the Colorado Tax Relief Channel presented by Cash Tracks Financial. Please like this video and subscribe to the Colorado Tax Relief Channel. I am Marcelino Dodge, an enrolled agent, here today just to calmly explain why am I an enrolled agent? Why have I been in this business over 20 years to be able to help taxpayers resolve their tax issues? I enjoy solving problems. I enjoy helping people. Many people I encounter so far with tax issues, they're feeling worthless. They're feeling worried. They're feeling overwhelmed and ridiculed because they just don't know what to do. They don't know who to trust. Sometimes they're breaking down and crying because they just feel so threatened by the IRS. Well, that's why I do what I do, is because I want people to eliminate that stress. And that's what we're here for, to eliminate the stress, the overwhelming feeling, the worthlessness, and then change it over to happiness, confidence, and optimism about the future. So as a taxpayer, if you're feeling these items and you're behind on tax returns, or if you just owe hundreds of thousands of dollars to the IRS, we can give you that peace of mind and allow you to sleep at night. This is Marcelino Dodge once again, Cash Tracks Financial on the Colorado Tax Relief Channel.